Hi guys, I'm going to try to put the face up on this 3D printed um, head. So the original file was a Smart Doll Prophecy, so I modded it and I removed the eye and I changed the ears, the eye sockets. I made nose, basically the profile a bit smoother. It's like ski slope profile nose. So it's not like anime anymore, and I changed the lips as well. So as much as I hate doing face ups, because it's 3D printed head, I don't really, I'm not scared to ruin it or anything. I just wipe it off if I don't like it. I guess it can do the same with the resin or vinyl, but you can stain them. But this one, if it's stained, I just print another one. Anyway, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I have nothing in mind, but I just see how it goes. So I already covered. So 3D, it's in PLA, so it's like a plastic, and I already applied Liquitex on it, and the clear gasser, to give it a tooth. It's quite giving a good tooth without making it white. But there is some residual I can see, but not too bad. So I've got pastels here. Um, to be honest, you can even draw these heads with the permanent markers. uh, so you're not really scared at all. So the color, by the way, of the ply is aqua, if anyone interested. So I've got some fancy Nick Pro fine brushes, and so I'm gonna try to do something with them. This is my old brushes I used to shade for shading, but this more for finer details. Like I said, I have no idea what to do, but I think that in my mind now I'm gonna do maybe purple or red around their eyes, make it more kind of shade around their eyes, and then I like a lot of blushers and contour the eyes probably. They already pointed the at the corner, so I don't think I require much of a lifting there. And see how it goes. So I will start probably with this brush, and I'll dip it into. Let me just get a piece of paper. So. Hmm. Apologies if you hear the noises. I've got two 3D printers going, so I revived my old one. It's working now. Actually printing a vase, a gift for one of my work colleagues. I just print some random stuff, really random, like factus. Being like that. Because this doesn't do anything. Okay, so put some black acrylic and blue acrylic paints because I'm thinking of having blue eyebrows and should I paint them or should I just I'm not gonna use white for the lip lines. I'll try to use the mother of pearls because obviously this is a bit muted. Because white gonna be a bit too much, I would say. Just kind of give it a bit of a definition here. I thought something was missing. It's quite tricky in eye socket because it's an uneven surface and I know that it's primed. It's because of the support used here. It's a bit odd texturized and I mean I can use probably acrylics better. So it's a bit tidier. I think I need different acrylic, this is too thick. Eyebrows are horrific. I don't know, actually the whole face up is horrific. I'm just gonna seal it. Not enough. The eyebrows horrendous, but there you go. I'm gonna probably put some eyelashes. Okay, I'll just leave it to dry. And the body. So I'm not going to reprint the bed parts because I didn't align them properly. Well, not align, I didn't put them on the bed properly. I should have put them vertically, but I put them horizontally. That's why you can see these lines in here, and I sanded them. Doesn't help. And same with the hands, I didn't put them properly, but I put primer on the hands and on the chest and like on the neck here and this as well. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blush it. So you see, so I started, so I'm gonna blush it. And for these things like this I just showed you, I'm gonna put tattoo in. So I'm gonna seal this in a minute. So I bought different tattoos. I know it works well. They're water-based. I mean, water-based. I mean, you use them to transfer with the damp cloth or sponge, and they work well on the happily ever after. I wonder what it says in there. On the plug PVA. It's just a matter of choosing what I want. So I have already applied tattoo here, here, here. I'm gonna probably cover her in different tattoos and just seal them. It's super easy, so I just got a sponge, clean sponge, the kitchen dishes, and said I've got this lots of different tattoos. Just cut them out. I peeled them. They've got like peel here, and you apply like image down, and just apply this on top of the wet sponge, on top of damp sponge. Just wait a little bit, just literally hold like that in place and release after a few seconds, and this glues onto the plastic. Perfect. So I'll continue doing that. So just sprayed it with the sealer. It dries pretty quick, just very fast. I think it's not too bad.